Welcome traders. Let's look at the GoldMiner EA. So this EA makes roughly $70 per day these days. Okay, I want to update this group. Today's trades from this group. This is the public group. You can see the daily results. I post here almost every day. As you can see today, it made $70 from scalping. Okay, you can check yesterday. Yesterday it made 76. It's profitable every day. Okay, this day made 70. Okay, you can just come here, scroll up, see the daily results. 63. Okay, 48. Okay, and so on. But you can just join here. It's a free group. You can come and check those results. So from here, this is a real account. I can just show you results for last week. It made 414 the previous week, the previous 7 days. Okay, so how does this EA work? Let me just show you. Is this the GoldMiner? Yes, let me check here. Okay, 5 minutes time frame, visual. I'll start by showing you the visual. So my starting balance is 300. That's what I recommend for this EA. It's possible to start with something less. It works, but it's not safe. Okay, let's speed this up. Okay, speed this up. So this is how it runs. It is scalping day and night. No need to stop it. Mine is running on VPS. And what I can say is rest assured that you will be profitable every day. That's for sure. Every day you're going to have profits. Okay, so this is how it runs. Okay, you can see the equity, you can see the balance from 300. It's now at 315. Let's just speed things up. I want you to watch the graph. Okay, watch the graph. So mine was able to move from 300 because even on the live account I started with a deposit of 300. From 300 to 1033 in a space of less than a month, I can say, or let's say close to a month. It was able to triple the account. Okay, so this is how this EA runs. You see how the profits keep growing? It's because we have dynamic load. Okay, if you look on this section under the size, it is the lot size. If I scroll down, you can see that started with 0.01. I can't really scroll well because it's running. Okay, you see that the lot size keeps growing. Okay, it keeps growing as the account grows. So you see that. So let's say you run this thing from January. I wouldn't recommend you run it from January till December. The broker might not give you the money. No broker is willing to give out millions. So the moment you make 5K withdraw, not even 5K, if you started with a deposit of 300 and you get to 1.5, withdraw that 500, leave the 1000, you double it, or you get to 2.5, withdraw the 500, leave the 2000. Okay, but the point is that you have to withdraw partial profits. Don't wait until you have made 15 million. The broker will definitely not give you. Okay, if you are not new in trading, you probably know that by now. Okay, I might not wait till the end of this, but you can see that the account keeps growing slowly but sure. It is growing. Okay, so now let me just show you how to install the EA. It's very easy to install the EA. First of all, you must have the EA. Where do you download it? If you buy it via the Buy Me a Coffee platform, once you make the purchase, you are going to get a link that will take you to this group. Please make sure that you use the links in the video description to avoid being scammed or getting into some other groups. Okay, so once you get to this group, here is the GoldMiner. In fact, there is the original EA. The GoldMiner Pro is just a version that I shared later. Here is the original EA, the GoldMiner EA. If you want to have the one that I am also using, it is this one. The GoldMiner Pro, I was trying to make something for those with small account balances. But this is the real or the original EA. And there are some other EAs in this group, profitable EAs, like the Trend Rider Pro. It is for currency pairs. The Daily Bread Pro also runs on gold. It's very profitable, but sometimes it fails if the market or if gold starts moving in one direction, like it did the previous month. It was moving straight up, so the Daily Bread Pro failed, and then I came up with the GoldMiner, which is so far very successful. Okay, so you have a lot of EAs here that you can download. For you is to just buy one of my EAs, get into the group, and then you will be able to download the other EAs. So after downloading, make sure you save it, save it anywhere on your computer, and then you copy the EA. After copying it, you come to your MT4, go to File, open Data Folder, MQL4, open Experts, and then you just paste it here. Okay, you just paste it here. Now I have two EAs. Let me delete one. You just paste it here. After pasting it, you just close your MT4, and then you open your MT4 again. After opening your MT4, let's open this, and then you are supposed to have your EA right there, and then you open gold. Okay, this should be easy. You open gold. Okay, make sure it is on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, let's go to tools, let's go to options, let's go to expect advisors. Make sure you allow here, you allow there, you allow there. Okay, and then you press OK. After doing that, you double click your GoldMiner EA. Okay, and then you can set your risk percentage, max spread. Let's just put 40 there. Okay, if you are a very high risk trader, put 10% risk or 15% risk. Okay, and then you press OK, and then you have your EA running. Okay, if it's running, it should say on the status, and then it's now okay, like this. It's even better if you have VPS. If you don't have a VPS, use the link in the video description to open yourself an account on that VPS. Okay, so it's like that. I will leave the links in the video description. Make sure you use those links to avoid being scammed. Thank you.